Is it cute on me? Wait. Oh. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are. Just the way you came. Hey Bursties, I am bursting because you guys are back on my channel. Welcome back, you guys. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, which I rarely do on my channel, but I had to for this month's Boxycharm. Now you guys know that Boxycharm is a subscription service and it gets sent right to your doors, so how convenient is that? And I'm so excited because how hard has it been to get our hands on all of our faves? We can't go anywhere, we can't do anything, we can't shop, and if we do, it's not really that fun because we're smelling our nasty breath under those masks. So I'm just so happy that this got shipped right to my house, and when you subscribe, it gets shipped right to you. So you'll get a box just like this, and then you'll get a monthly theme. I love the little postcards that they send. So this month's theme is obviously like sand beaches, water, lemonade, and citrus, something that none of us are experiencing this summer 2020. So I really like the brands that they choose to send. Typically, it's just high quality brands that you've heard about, that you've seen, that you're probably already wanting to try. It's really nice that they stay relevant and up to date. So in this month's box, it looks like they sent me 2 shampoos, and that's actually perfect. Is it Sol Janeiro? Hierro? Brazilian Yoha. I don't know, y'all, but I'm gonna insert the brand here, and it looks like they sent both shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna open this. So the shampoo and conditioner set is actually $24. The 111 skin serum is $135. So we'll be keeping that safer. And this is what the product looks like. That looks sticky. I love a foggy glass bottle. Honestly, it always just gives me high quality vibe. Apparently it is a protector against blue light and screen exposure. The next thing is the Hourglass brow pencil. I'm actually really excited to jump in with this like right away. Mama needs brows on. Hourglass Arch Pencil is $28. Now I did watch some reviews on this pencil, and a lot of people were shocked by the tone of it. They sent me ash tone, which obviously I have dark hair, so I'm really curious to see how this shade looks on my skin. The next thing they sent is easy to sell Ola Neon Matte Long Lasting and Moisturizing Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Oh, Ola Neon is the brand. And then it looks like this Ola Neon liquid lipstick is $17, which is pretty typical of a lip. The next thing they sent was an Ace Beauty palette, and this is a bronzer palette. So I'm actually really liking the shades, and the palette is $30. So before I use the other products, I'm gonna go in with the 111 skin serum because my skin is clean and you're supposed to use it on clean skin so it absorbs. So I'm actually really excited to feel this because it just looks really, luxurious. Oh yeah, it feels nice. That is so cooling. So my skin feels pretty tacky. This must be like a water base, which is actually preferred by me, one of my favorites. I like the way it feels. Let's see how it holds my foundation though, because that's always the part. The next thing I'm gonna do is my brows. I like to do those before foundation. I'm doing my brows a little bit lighter, a little bit more fluffy nowadays, so this ash tone might work out really well, but I'm kind of scared because I do have like an olive undertone, so let's see if this works out. I usually use a ABH brow powder and an angle brush, so okay, like I do like that on camera actually. Like in person it doesn't look like it's really doing much, which is interesting. Like I might have to go in with a little bit of brow powder at the end, but the shade isn't bad. Okay, you guys, this is about as far as I got with the brow pencil that they sent me. I don't know if it's a combination of the shade and the formula, if it's just the formula, if it's just the shade, but I personally don't love this. I do think that it might work better on someone with lighter brows. There are some things that I do like. I did like the pencil like applicator itself. I like the fact that it has a little spoolie at the end, and I do like that it goes on really natural. Yeah, this is what you guys see. Personally, it's a no for me, but it could work out for you. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and I did my brows off camera, a little bit more to my style and liking, but just to show you, because I'm like, I feel bad, but I just like the brow pencil, I can't lie to y'all. So I'm gonna show you guys what I was dealing with. I just don't feel like the shade is dark enough, but it looks like in that shade it comes off pretty easy. It's just, it was too light. So I'm gonna say maybe I'll try it again. Maybe I'd give it a second chance. So Hourglass, get it together. As I was doing my brows, I noticed that the serum was seeping into my skin and making it feel even more luscious. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation off camera, and we're gonna put it to the test to see how foundation sits on top of the serum. Now we are looking a little bit flat, so let's bronze immediately. We need to jump right in with the Ace Beauty bronzing palette that they sent. Okay, so I'm just gonna tap my brush and like do little twisting motions because this is like vertical, which I don't want to get too much of this product or too much of that product. And the first thing I'm gonna bronze is my forehead, like obviously. Yes, size that on down. Wow, look at the difference. I've been bringing my bronzer on my forehead down further and further, you guys. Like I'll be like down here. Now I'm gonna go in with the same shade along my cheekbones. This bronzer is definitely pigmented, that is for sure. I literally just tapped the product and so much came off. Ooh, this palette might just need to stay on my vanity. Whoa, we are bronzed, honey. The shades are so nice. It's so hard for me to find a bronzer that doesn't look too orange because I already have an olive tone, so I'm actually living.
You just gotta keep living, man.
Okay, Boxycharm, you guys got me with that third product. Now I'm hooked. The serum was good, but this is better. Now the real test is the nose. Let's go in with, I'm thinking this shade is gonna be the best for the nose. Ooh, okay, I'm living for that shade.
L-I-V-I-N.
Okay, period. Yep, that solidified it for me right there. Let's jump into an eyeshadow look. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the same shade that I contoured my forehead with. I always go in with my contour color anyway. I don't just contour my face, I contour my eye shape as well. So going into the crease with your contour color is something that I already do, and this palette makes it really easy. It's a good opportunity for you to kind of connect here because that just really snatches your eye shape and your nose. This color looks darker when it's built up with an eyeshadow, yes. I'm going for just a really simple, soft glam, so these tones are perfect. This is definitely an everyday situation, which I actually really like about Boxycharm. They send a variety of different products. Okay, so now I'm going in with this lighter tone to blend out that brown and just make sure it looks really nice and airbrushed. So I'm gonna go right in the middle and kind of up into my brow bone. That looks flawless. Yes, okay, cool. And then I think what I'll do is I'll just pack on the really light tone. This is a couple shades lighter than my skin tone, so it should just work as a nice little natural lid color. Okay, it looks very buttery. It literally looks just like my lid. This is definitely an everyday eyeshadow palette as well. It's a dual product. I love when you get dual use out of something. Look how polished that looks. Yes, okay, perfect. Okay, cute. So now we are all contoured, and the contour palette dualed as a eyeshadow palette too. So our eyes are done. I'm going to highlight, add some lashes, and I will be right back for the lid. Okay, you guys, I am back with lashes. Anyways, this is my good side, and I just feel like this side is just more snatched, and then this side is like more rounded. And like, if you guys can tell, my eyebrows, like one of them is rounded, and then also the eye is more round. Like, look at it. Now that I pointed out, you guys will never be able to unsee it. But anyways, let me know in the comments if you guys see what I'm talking about, because it's like, it drives me crazy. Anyways, okay, moving on. Okay, you guys, I have my lashes on. I am all bronzed, highlighted, and blushed, and now we're gonna jump into the lip. I'm not excited about trying this on because I just don't normally do these types of tones. Okay, guys, I had to put on a lip liner because I'm just scared. This color is out of my comfort zone, and I wanted it to be pretty, so I did my lip liner, which, you know, bad me. I just wanted this to look good. So this is the Ola Neon, the Easy Cell. The Easy Cell. Velvet liquid lipstick. This is what it sounds like. Okay, time to put it on the lips. I wish I could close my eyes and do this. Oh, Okay, wait, hold on, I don't, it can't be true. It can't be true. Is it cute on me? Wait. What do you guys think in the comments? I don't know about this color. Ooh. I mean, it's not like bad. It's not, I mean, I don't know. It's drying down. It feels light. It doesn't feel drying. The formula is getting tacky. I can tell the formula is turning into that liquid lip. Definitely feels plush, definitely feels velvety. Personally, for summertime, I like more glossy lips, but this tone is very pretty, actually. Like, I'm loving the tone on me. Okay, Boxycharm, you got me with this. So 3 out of 4 products is definitely a win, and the shampoo and conditioner, like, who doesn't love that? Apparently you're gonna smell good all day. So I'd say the July box is doing pretty good. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I used all of the products from the Boxycharm outside of the shampoo. So they sent me 5 separate products. I would give this a 4 out of 5 rating. The reason I would give it a 4 out of 5 rating is because that eyebrow pencil was a no-go, but that's okay. I checked the price and the whole box is a $234 retail value. So even without that brow pencil, this box is still well worth it for the subscription price. Boxycharm always keeps me up to date with the latest and greatest products. It's really nice if you're just starting out as an influencer or a makeup lover and you just are not sure what to try. It's a good way to try everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys are commenting down below if you want to see more of these unboxes. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Thank you so much for 675,000 subscribers, you guys. We are getting closer and closer to my year's goal of 1 million every single day. I could not do any of this without you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you guys are following me on all of my socials. I am STRASHME on all of my social media except for Twitter. I am STRASHME with 2 E's. Thanks for joining me for today's video, you guys, and I will see you next time.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way